This is the end of week 4, Friday. Introduction to networking, iOS review, devices, access, console, VTY, access networking devices. Talk a little bit about addressing, MAC, IP, MAC address, the physical address, IP, logical address, talk a little more about labs, class items, packet tracer, need to be taking the quizzes, completing the exams, and completing the labs. Let's go ahead and take a look here. PC access. Got an IP address and the mask. Logical. What's already there is the physical address, the MAC. To access networking equipment, connect to the console or telnet or find some VTY access to the equipment from a PC. Well, and then we looked at example, we use PuTTY and some type of terminal software, and we can either access it securely or insecurely. But what did we have on the server? We access it based on an IP address. I asked the students, why dual boot? Well, we have more permissions with one of the operating systems. Both operating systems are on the hard drive, and we just decide which one we're going to load. And when we load the network side, then we have more permissions. We can change IPs, and it's easier to install software, etc., etc. Okay, so when we configure these things, we have access to the local area network. Okay, this page here. We have all these consoles coming off of this router, and we telnet to the router from the workstation. That is clear text, these VTY lines, and then we use the right device number to access whichever device we're connecting to. You could physically, from your PC, connect a rollover cable to a device too. Connect to it also like that. Access to device, IP address, some type of credentials. Now in the switch, what we're going to do is we're going to access through a virtual VLAN, so we're going to give that VLAN 1 an IP address, and we're going to use that then for management. So what that means, we can access it to work on the switch. The layer 2 switches to forward traffic only use the MAC address. Finish up here. We just got started rules of communications. We're talking about protocols, the internet, transmission, TCP, IP. The internet allows communications between some location and a website. Connectivity, how we connect. We have a sender, what we send across, and the destination. Send across wire, wireless, or fiber. And we have protocols for those. Talk about an app, we get the data, and then we encapsulate the data. We're going to talk about that more on Monday. Until it gets to the physical layer, and then it puts the bits on the media. For example, they go from a PC to the switch. So, a little review. Students need to be working on the packet tracers, take the quiz, the exams are on, you take them up to 3 times. And then we work on the labs in class, so the other key thing is the curriculum, working through the curriculum. If you're having issues with any of these items, getting them completed, just let me know. We'll figure it out. That is it.